Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You might watch one of my video about Pecron EP3800, and in this video I mentioned you can expand this battery up to 100,000 watt-hour battery capacity. And today I finally got this expansion battery that is EP3800 here. This big boy right here is quite heavy. It took me some effort to bring down to the basement. It weighs around 30.3 kilogram or 66.8 pounds. This is heavier than F3000. F3000 weighs around 28.7 kilogram or 63.3 pounds. But this battery capacity is 3,840 watt-hour. It's actually more than F3000. To give you guys some perspective, I'm holding an iPhone 15 right here, and you can see how big the box is. Here comes the most excited time. Let's unbox it. Let's open this box. Oh, the first thing that's caught my eyes is those are the orange corner protectors. Kind of like rubber or plastic fitting. It's supposed to protect all the corners. We also got an accessory bag. It's pretty cool bag. You can put cables in there. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so you got a pretty thick cable. I believe this one is, if you have another expansion battery, you can connect to each other using this cable. You got a screwdriver, some small screws, metal plates. Here's the instruction manual. So this cable is not F3000 cascade cable, it's MJ32 cascade cable. That means if you want to connect this battery to F3000, you need to get an extra cable that costs $29.99. I'm gonna put a picture from the official website. Alright, so now I can put everything back. The reason you need a specific F3000 cascade cable, that's because you can use this expansion battery for other products instead of just for F3000. Whoa. Here's a moment of truth. I'm just kind of curious how am I going to take this out. Oh, there's a handle here. That's great. Damn, this thing is heavy. 67 pounds, almost 70 pounds. Ready? There you go. Now let's take a close look at this expansion battery. So it already have those protected corners. I thought it doesn't have it. Those corners actually is for when you stuck them together. If you have two of them, you can put a protection corner in between. That's what's used for. If you just have one of this, you basically don't really need it. So the first thing we see is a Pecron. You can see the product is EP3800 48 volt with 3,840 watt-hour battery capacity. And on the left side, you got a handle. So it's really easy to carry with a handle. On the right side, you have this battery expansion port. You can connect to another battery, or you can connect to a battery inverter. On the top, you can see there's a small serial number knob. There's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means if you connect to another battery, make sure they have different serial number. For example, if this is 0, next one cannot be on 0. You have to be on 1 or 2, any number but 0. Or the battery reading is going to be incorrect through the app. We got a button right here to show the battery percentage. Let me press it, let's see. 75%. And this is really important because when I connect to Pecron F3000, I want to keep that battery around the same level. 75% here, that means I will charge that battery also to 75%. This part is really important because in the instruction manual it says you have to make sure the battery pack and the host has similar battery level, with the difference not more than 10%. If there's a significant difference in battery level, it will take longer time for the host and power pack to display green, indicating a complete balance. This expansion battery is also lithium iron phosphate. That means you can charge this battery up to 3,500 cycles and you will maintain 80% of the battery capacity. For example, if you charge this almost every day, let's say 350 days in a year, that means you can use this for 10 years and you still have 80% battery capacity. That's pretty cool, right? And also I want to strongly suggest you guys to keep this box. This unit has 2 years warranty. So if anything happens, let's say if it doesn't work anymore, then you need to return this to the manufacturer using a box. And you know this thing is kind of heavy, so you don't want to just put this in any random box. You want to use this box they ship to you, then you can ship it back for protections. This expansion battery is not just for F3000. You can also use it for E1500, E3600, E1000, E2400, and also E3800. I'll put a direct link for this expansion battery in the description. You guys can go check it out and make sure you guys use my promo code. You can get 5% off. At this moment, I'm waiting for the cascade cable specifically for F3000. So once I got that, then I can connect this expansion battery to F3000. I'm gonna make another video and show you guys when I connect them together. That way I'll have over 6,000 watt-hour battery capacity. I also got an electric monitor for 30 amp plug. We can plug that in and charge the Tesla. Let's see how much power actually output. But for now, this is pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.